Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, go ahead, open up your settings. Now I'm gonna let you know some of the ways that you can solve it. First thing first, check out the billing address of your particular Apple ID. If that is a incorrect one, then that could cause the problem. Go ahead, go to your Apple ID and simply go ahead, go to the section of go to payments and shipping from over here, and make sure you check out your billing address and your billing name. And once you have added all of the correct information, you're going to be going back, right? And if that also doesn't help, you're going to be go ahead and tap on this option of add payment method and add a new payment method, and make sure that the payment method is eligible. Once you have confirmed that, that should also help you out for you to start paying. Next up is simply going ahead and going to this section of sign in and security and changing the password of your Apple ID. You can tap on change password, and add a new password and sign in. That should also refresh your ID and help you out. Now other thing would be simply going ahead and tapping on sign out. Once you have signed out of your device and then back sign in, you should be able to reconnect everything to your app itself, and you should not have that problem again. That is how you can solve it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.